A brief look at CFD modeling for railcar tip-over. A short video featuring Dr. Kevin Linfield. High winds have caused numerous accidents involving freight or empty coal trains. Unfortunately, these derailments disrupt shipping, cause environmental damage, and cost the railroad companies millions of dollars in repair, cleanup costs, and lost revenue. A few years ago, there were at least 3 major derailments in the United States as a result of high winds. In March, 26 cars blew off a bridge in New Mexico. In April, 25 loaded tank cars derailed, leaking 74,000 gallons of ethanol in Texas. And in August, 2 trains derailed with over 100 rail cars leaving the tracks in Kansas. In the unlikely event of a passenger coach being blown off the tracks, significant loss of life is possible. Using a combination of computer modeling and wind tunnel testing, ASE has developed a database of railcar rolling moments to predict impending tip-over conditions. Analysis included boxcars, hopper cars, well cars, gondola cars, auto rack, and trailer flat cars. In order to determine force moment curves, a series of simulations were performed at different wind speeds and different wind angles. The coefficients of these curves are then combined with current atmospheric conditions and relative wind velocities to predict actual forces and moments on the rail cars in real time. ASE has also produced a real-time speed restriction system for locations prone to high winds. One of these devices is installed alongside the tracks at the Sandusky Bridge in Ohio. The system measures real-time wind conditions and communicates with dispatchers to provide immediate recommendations for safe speeds based on wind speed and direction for multiple car types. For more information on flow modeling, please contact Airflow Sciences. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.